Hey friends, so I'm getting ready to make some bases for some beautiful floral arrangements for Mother's Day, and I'm going to use some gaps and cracks. Do you use gaps and cracks? Do you know what gaps and cracks can be used for? Well, I thought I'd jump on here, do a quick video, show you how I use gaps and cracks for my designs. Now, once I finish these designs, I'm going to drop them into my new shop at www.stuffsandthingsbyjd.com. I've just opened and launched a new website. Love to see you over there. You'll be able to find these beautiful floral arrangements for Mother's Day in there. And if you do stop by, I'd love to have you join my email community. I'm offering a free discount on your next purchase. So go ahead and put your email and subscribe. But anyway, let me show you how I prep my bases with gaps and cracks and tell you why. Okay, let's go. All right, first, before we get started, I have to show you this cool skull bust that I got for Mother's Day. I can't wait to design on this. I love making dark and moody Gothic inspired designs. So here we go. We're going to start with this fantastic bust, and we're going to start putting this gaps and cracks right here on the back. I want the flowers to be on the back, so her face is the focal point. So we're just going to add this here, and then we'll come back and design after it's all hard. All right, so let's go ahead and start filling our pots. We've got several pots to do, and you'll see that I'm filling this up with some gaps and cracks, and you'll notice that I didn't go all the way up. That's because this is expanding foam, and so this is going to double in size. So I'm just going up about halfway. Now, I will come back a little bit later after we video and I'll top it off because it came up to be about 2/3. So, all right, so I've got these huge pots. These are gorgeous wood pots from Jams Designs and Supplies. I have a link in the description of this video where I get all my supplies. But we're going to go ahead and just start filling this up. Now, I'm sure you're wondering why I have cardboard in here. Well, I don't want to use up 3 cans of foam for one pot. So I filled it up with some cardboard. This is also going to really help with the weight of this pot so that I can save my customers on shipping costs and make it a little bit more lightweight to ship to them. But this foam is fantastic. It's going to give you so much structure. It gives you a lot of places for your florals to go into, and it really holds them in place. This is the best stuff I've seen. All right, so you'll see here that I used 1 can and I filled up 3 big pots, 4 smaller pots, and that bust. And you'll see here, yep, getting to the end of that can. So we'll go ahead and toss that. But one thing to note, don't get this stuff on your fingers or on your clothes. Make sure you put some protective barriers down so it doesn't get on your projects. And it will keep coming out after you stop spraying. So just let that stop oozing out before you toss it in the trash. And here you have it. So you'll see how much that expanded. I've got all of these projects prepped. Yep, I'm going to do a wagon wheel. Can't wait for that one. Okay, so what do you think? Is that something that you would do? Have you used gaps and cracks? Would you? Leave me a comment and let me know, and let's talk about it. But in the meantime, take a look at these. And I have a pair. Aren't these beautiful? See you later.